Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the episode 3 of my skincare journey. And this video is the most important video in our skincare journey because this is where you are going to take a call in understanding what products you would need and what all things you wish to buy it for your skincare journey along with me. If you have not watched my episode 2, I highly recommend clicking on that link and going to the episode 2 to understand your skin type and skin concern. And it's a very simple video where you will get an idea about what do you think you want to target in your skin. Before we move ahead in this video, I really want you all to please subscribe to my channel, support me over here, and I'm really trying to share something with you all and be an open book to help you all understand your skincare and your beauty queries and be out there to help you at every step of your beauty journey. So let's not waste time because this video is going to be lengthy as I'm really trying to put in a lot of information about how to buy your products and things to consider and some tips and techniques which I generally like to follow when I am buying it. So I am sharing everything with you all in this video, so stay tuned. And before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and please share if you think that anybody is in need of such information. I will be very thankful to you. So let's start shopping. I am sharing my screen right over here. Let's go into the Nykaa application. Wow, they have some wonderful offers going on, and it's quite overwhelming when you keep scrolling down and checking your screen and get attracted to the offers. Well, that's the strategy of marketing. So let's not go into that. Let's go straight forward to what we have decided. We have to stick to that, what we are going to look for it. So let's go to the options. Nykaa has a huge variety of product lines, and we would really want to focus on the ones which we definitely needed. So let's go into skin, and as we open the skin, we have cleansers, toners, moisturizers, mask, eye care, lip care, neck cream, body care, sun care, hands and feet kits and combos, and shop by concern. I generally avoid going to shop by concern because it's a system generated thing, and sometimes you may be misleading to the products which may not be helpful to you. So let's start with the first skincare product, that is a cleanser. So let's click onto cleanser, and you see there is a complete cleanser collection: face wash, cleanser, scrubs, exfoliators, wipes and makeup remover. We are ideally looking for like a face wash come cleanser, but let's see the complete cleanser collection. Once you click on that, wow, you see a lot of products popping up onto your screen. And here I share one of my very first trick. So when you open an application, you see the sort thing that says it's sorted by popularity, but when you go down and see, it specifies that it's a featured product. So when anything is featured, it's basically a paid promotion to be on the top. That's it. So we don't want that. We don't want to see which brands has paid to show themselves on top. Rather, we would go into the sort, and you see you have different options in going in there. I highly recommend in going for customer top rated. Now let me tell you why. Because when you go for customer top rated product ranges, it's tried by a lot of people, and you get to know a little bit of insight of how this product is and how it has worked for other people and what are they take on these products. So definitely this is something which you must try when you go out to shop, when you sit at home and use your phones to shop. So yes, here now you see the bestseller list where wow, there's Caffeine has been leading the list. I'm glad. Nice products though, no doubt in that. But definitely what I'm seeing, they're showing a lot of skincare kits and some random products. Even though I asked for cleansers, it is showing me some of the things which I definitely don't want it in that. So instead we are going to use the filters. Another tip: filters are your best friend. The moment you learn how to filter and short it down to the product which you actually need, you will not end up being guided to a false purchase, which is not something which you're looking for. So go to the filter. Now filter has again multiple options. They have category, they have brand, price, discount, average customer rating, preference, concern, skin type, formulation, gender and ingredient. So let's go one by one quickly and see what each one holds for you. So the category, I think we are going to look for face wash and cleanser. See, basically face wash and cleansers are very same term. It's just that wash may be a little bit more foamy and would create a little foamy effect. Cleansers could be milk based, oil based, and that is something which you guys may need if you have a normal to dry skin. If you're still wondering how to understand your skin type, I have put a link up there where it takes you to my video where I'm talking about understanding your skin. So let's come back to the filters. Let's see what all he has. Brand, I'm not sticking to any brand. I want to see what they have to offer. Price, I think I'm going to stick to 0 to 49. Sorry. For price, I'm going to stick to 0 to 49. Definitely don't wish to spend so much of money. I want to see something in a very tight budget. The discount, irrelevant, not looking for anything. Average customer rating, some of their ratings are bought also, so I do not understand the whole point in going that until unless somebody is reviewing and putting their comment in that and really sharing the pictures and all for me to understand how did it work. So check that. Next, go to preference. People who are new, people who don't know, have just started being part of a cruelty free community, and I am not going to use any product which harms animals or any of the formulation which is tried or tested on animals. I am avoiding usage of that. I mean, I'm completely avoiding usage of that, whether it's makeup, skincare, hair care, whatever it is. So that is definitely the first preference I'm looking for. I want it to be cruelty free, paraben free. It is also one of the things which you must look for when you go ahead to buy your products. If you don't know what is parabens and the whole ideology about, one more link is up there. You can go ahead and understand why I go for a paraben free option. Next, dermatologically tested. Yes, because you would want that the product which you are using has been tried and tested by the doctors of your skin and know whether it is the right product or not. Next, if somebody is vegan, they have an option of filtering down to a vegan options. They have soap free, vitamin C, SLS free, is sulfate free. If you're looking for something like that, non-comedogenic, oil free, let's choose the oil free options. Let's see what they have to offer. My skin is oily, so looking for something in that range. I think that's all. I don't want to choose too many preferences. Let's go to concern. If you have watched the episode 2 and you have noted out your concern, this is where we are going to use that. If you have dryness, dullness, dark spots, pigmentation, let's click on pigmentation. Let's see what else we have. We want something which is oil controlling, definitely. Oiliness is also one of the concern, but it's not rightly put. Sorry, Naika. And I think, yeah, that's all for the concern. Let's go to skin type. They have categorized skin type into oily combination. I would want to choose oily and a combination both. Let's see what they have to offer. Formulation, I'm not having anything. Gender, no bar. Ingredients, no, I don't have any particular ingredient which I'm looking for. So let's apply and see. Wow, here are a list of products. Biotic, Himalaya, Biotic, Nykaa, Clean and Clear, Mamaearth, Kaya. Wow, a lot of options. So okay guys, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings over here, but I'm not a big fan of products which are naturals, which are organics and things like that, because they're not clinically proven most of the times, and the ingredients are not clinically controlled that you get the desired results which you're looking for. But I am somebody who wants to avoid anything which has too much of natural ingredients, because A, they have their own fragrance which irritates my skin, and B, it can be an allergic reaction. You can have an allergic reaction when you use products which are natural based, like some of you Biotic and Himalaya products and all, so you need to try and test it out. For me it has not worked, so definitely I want to avoid them and I want to quickly go down and see what else they have to offer. They were also showing some options of Mama Earth. I am currently using one of the Mama Earth product. I will let you know what I'm using later in the video. Bioderma, I doubt if it's a cruelty free. Nope, nothing is interesting. No. Okay, this sounds cool. This says it's from the brand called Dermaco. It's a 3% AHA BHA foaming face wash. So yes, this is an introduction to active ingredients into your skincare. With this skin journey, of course, I am sharing how to introduce such ingredients which are active ingredients in a skincare language, and how to introduce them to your skincare and things to be taken care of. So this is what we are also considering it. So wish listed, okay, put a heart over there. So this is, I think, one of the product which we should know a little bit more about. So whenever you like any product, I recommend you to drag it down, go a little down, a little bit more down, and you see product details. We often directly jump into reviews, read about it, but we miss out on the part which is very, very important to understand your product, is the description. So when you click onto the description, you have an entire ideology of the brand, of the product, the ingredients. It is majorly in a layman language. It means it's easy to understand. You don't have to be a master's in cosmetology to understand that, but it is easy to understand. And I highly recommend, whatever product you're buying, read about it, know what it is made for, what the brand is trying to sell you here. It's very, very important to know. So if you are legitimately following me, this is what you have to do, like must. When you go to buy your groceries, don't you check what it has, what ingredients, ye healthy, wo healthy, like we always do that. We always check that. Why not when it comes to skincare, hair, and all that, all things beauty? So they have specified about the brand and description. Then they have a list of ingredients. They have mandelic acid, they have glycolic acid, they have salicylic acid. They have also mentioned what these particular ingredients are going to do for your skin. It's a very, very good information which they have put out over here. Very easy to understand. Absolutely a big fan of the brands who do that. Always remember to read how to use, because sometimes every brand creates a product in a certain way that it has to be used in a certain way to get the best results. And especially when you try to introduce your skin to an active skincare brands, this is what you must read if you want the results, and if you want to stop your skin getting any adverse allergic reaction. So please note this. Yeah, so I think this seems like a good product. And generally when you go down, they also see what other customers viewed into this Dermaco range. They have quite a good range of products. Very impressed. The brand is from India. It's made by Dermats, so definitely something which is trustworthy, which I would say so. So I think something like this would interest me, but let's see. Okay, it's acne control, oil free, exfoliates. It's a little strong product what it talks out over here, but let's see what other things are to be discussed. So for this, probably let's go to their website. Let me show you what do they have in their website. So we have now gone to Dermaco website. Okay, here is my another tip. Of course, Nykaa has bunch of brands, lot of options to go from, but definitely go to the brand websites. You would know a lot more things about what this product is all about, what is brand all about, and how they recommend the products to be used, and some blogs. A lot of information you will get to know about your products, especially when you're using a product which has active ingredients and which requires a lot of studies before you start using them. So yes, please go to the website. Here is the Dermaco website. A lot of information. Wow, they have how skin assessment works. They have free skin assessment which you must take a try. You must have a look at that and see how it is going to work for you. We are skipping that because I've already tried and tested, so that's why I'm telling you, try it out and see what they have to recommend you. And let's see what other products they have. And wow, it's a long list. They have hair care also. They have some new launches, some stories with pictures which they have put. They have deal of the days. Okay, let's not go there. Let's see what products they have to offer. Go into products. Sorry, the internet is slow because I use a lot. So they have a lot of serums, very much target oriented product ranges. Impressed by that. They have amazing skincare combos you must have a look at, because sometimes those combos will give you amazing results, but you need to know if that's what you're looking for. Guys, come on, I want to see cleansers. Okay, let me see, how can I see cleansers? I really don't want to talk, but if I click on products, it is actually taking me all the products. So let's search it. Let's be a good person and let's see what they have it in. Cleanser and search. So they have creamy face cleanser. They have HBHA, which we had seen, and definitely it is again and again taking me to a lot of product combos. Marketing, guys, focus. So let's see how they are describing their products. I think this creamy cleanser sounds nice. Also, when we use active ingredients and if we are planning to take more stronger products in our other skincare lines like serums and moisturizers and some masks, if we are using that, try to stick to a mild face wash. This is a creamy cleanser. It has cleansing, hydrating, fragrance and soap free. Could be used for day and night both. They have again break down what this concept means and why they are saying so about that product. Excellent, I love that. They have clinical active ingredients in them which they have mentioned, so read it out, see is this the kind of effect and feel you want to have it onto your skin. They have complete ingredient list also. Excellent. They have said who it is suitable for, how to use, FAQs, more information, patch testing guide. Again, patch testing guide, if you guys don't know, then I'm sorry, but start doing it from today onwards to try and test the product first behind your ear and at the back of this arm or the most light part of your skin, to do a patch test to understand whether these products are going to give you any allergic reaction, any inflammation, any unbearable reaction. So when you use active ingredients, it is very important to do a patch test, and they have put a beautiful guide to it, so do read it out. So I think this sounds interesting to me probably, but let's see what next we have. So that was all up for the cleansers. I think I am going to in the end tell you what all products I am buying it, and let's go ahead and go to the product which I have been really wanting to try. So here we are to the brand I am obsessed about and I can't wait to get my hands on. But this brand deals with active ingredients, a little stronger products than the regular brands which you see. So understanding the product, reading about it, knowing the right steps and instructions to follow, it's very important. So let's get it started. I'm excited. So if you are following me on Instagram, you must be knowing that minimalistic is something which I've been recommending it to a lot of people, and they've been very happy with the results which they have got. So it's my time to try it. So like again, this is one of the brand which is an inspiration from the US best-selling skincare brand, The Ordinary. I love their products, amazing, excellent range of products which I would say, but sadly they are not available in India directly through the company, though there are some Instagram accounts selling it, but I don't want to trust them. I'm not so sure of trusting them, but They are really nice, and Minimalistic is something which is inspired from there. So yes, Minimalistic has that soft corner in my heart for them. And I see their website, and I think I can go to their website every day to learn something new, to know something new. They have a lot of information feed it into their website. So somebody who likes to know and read a lot, do check out their website. And let's not waste my time and make this video any more longer. Let's talk about the product which I've been really willing to try. So again, these people have home concerns, our products, and knowledge. Knowledge is what you should check out before you buy. Let's go into our product ranges. So this brand has one of the best selling chemical exfoliant, which is so far one of the best way to exfoliate your skin to get the best results, desired results. And that is the product which is most of the time used by dermats under a clinical observation to get you the best results and get your skin into a better condition. So but this is called over the counter actives, so it means something which is safe to use onto your skin at home, but it is a must to read about their instructions. So let's go into that product. Again, this is something which is called weekend facial, so not something you have to use it every day. Very, very important. Only and only twice a week. They have everything mentioned over here, what it is, how it is, and what all the highlights of the product, what kind of effect, science behind the product. Science is important. And how to use. Definitely this is something which they recommend in using it in the night time. And I also always been telling you that if you're trying any treatment products, night is the time. So definitely use this. And they have also been made it mandatory to use an SPF when you're using this product, understanding that you're cleaning up your skin, you're washing off the first layer, and it's very, very important to protect your skin. So definitely do that. And read a bit more about the product if you are not aware of active ingredients. This website is going to be very helpful. So definitely this is going to be there in my kit for sure. And again, I'm not going into the moisturizers and all, because again, these moisturizers are something which you will have to choose according to the tips and techniques which I've given, because if I'll add, so the video is going to keep going on and on and on. But again, for moisturizers, I would highly recommend you all to choose it according to your skin type, choose it according to the texture of the product you want, what kind of extra added effect or concern it should be targeting. Ideally, primary effect is what you want to take care of. Next, out of all this, if we skip out on sunscreen, if we do not do that, everything which we are trying to do over here is a failure. It's like you made everything right, but you forgot to write your name on top of that to tell people that okay, this is all my mehnat, so it's gone. So that's something which is going to happen if you do not have a sunscreen, a sun protection, or a sunblock product. So if and whenever you're planning to buy a skincare, your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen are the three basic products which you must have, irrespective of your age, your concern, and anything. These three products, if you have, are far enough to take care of your skin. This is the most important things in your skincare line. The exfoliates and masks are something which are weekly based, which are an added step to enhance your skin or to boost up your skincare regimen. So do not forget and mix all this. It is very important to understand the basics first. So I'm not doing any extra experimental things as of now, but definitely I think as I'm trying something which is an active ingredient on the safer side, I am also going to take Minimalistic hyaluronic acid. So in case if I feel that it is drying out my skin a lot, or if my skin needs an extra boost of hydration, hyaluronic acid is something which is going to help me maintain my natural skin moisture, making sure that all these treatments of active products which I'm going to use should not make it too dry, and if it is dry, you are prone to get into the aging. And hyaluronic acid is something which you can never go wrong on. So From Minimalistic, I'm going to have the AHA and BHA PHA exfoliating solution and hyaluronic acid serum along with it. Again, very important to read how to use that, because it has different ways of using it when you're using different products. Next, sunscreen. I am already using a sunscreen. I have a big bottle of sunscreen. I do not want to go it on a waste, but again, for sunscreens, you can let me share my screen again. Screens, again, what we are going to go into the sun care. We are going to go for face sunscreens. If you want to go for body sunscreens, you can go ahead that also. Again, do not forget, we need to go into the customer top rated. We need to filter it out. What is our concern? What is the SPF? Whenever you use any active ingredients, highly recommend in going for 30 and above. At least 50 is necessary to protect your skin. And formulation, actually, I don't know if they are pressing it. My skin type is oily, so don't want something which is too oily. So these are some of the few options to read it out and to go for. Lash Shield is something which I had come across before, and I saw what all ingredients they have and how their sunscreens are made. So again, you go into the descriptions and see what this product has to offer, what it is going to protect you from. And these are some basic information to know in your skincare, and you can go ahead, pick one for your skin. And let me quickly show you all the products I have and what I'm going to repeat and what will be the new product and overview of all. Cleanser, my recent purchase was from Mamaearth. It's a vitamin C cleanser with turmeric. This is a little stronger one, so probably I will end up going for the Dermaco creamy cleanser, because seems like a very mild cleanser which I may need when I'm using the peeling solution. The next day I may want to stick to a milder cleanser, so I think that's one of the options which I'm going to keep it open. Next, for moisturizer, I know Clinique is not cruelty free, guys, do not judge me over here, but I've got this product from the brand and I've been using it. I have one full jar left. So again, this moisturizer is just a plain moisturizer, all skin type, instantly hydrates your skin, and definitely something which is completely safe to be used along with your active ingredients. So I think I'm not changing it, I'm sticking by to this what I have. Then for SPF, we are using the Sebamed SPF 50 sunscreen. This is something which is a physical sunscreen. It means it has ingredients which may leave a white cast, but I'm all okay, it protects well. It's just that it's still not that oil free that what I thought of, but big bottle, can't let go of the product for a waste. So I'm going to continue using this SPF, and in case if we think that I need a little bit more protection, we can always buy one. So that was all for our episode 3. I know it is a very long video, and if you're watching till now, thank you. But definitely watching this entire video, I'm sure is not going to go for a waste, and you all will get the enough information when it comes to buying your products. And if there's anything, you can always get in touch with me on my Instagram account. The link is below in the description, and I'm happy to help. Hope you all enjoying. Let's wait for episode 4, where we are going to unbox and we're going to see what all products we have got, and we're going to start our skincare journey. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay home, guys, take care, bye.